Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Ughelli Asaba highway construction project, awarded since 2008 to link up the 3 senatorial districts of Delta State to its capital, Asaba, has been operating in fits and starts in the last 14 years. I took a trip recently to the Isoko-Ughelli axis of the Ughelli Asaba highway construction project, and it looks like after 14 years, the road project might not be completed anytime soon. I am standing in the Isoko end of the Ughelli Asaba highway. This is one road, in fact, the only road that the Urobo-speaking, Isoko-speaking, Ishekiri-speaking, and Ijaw-speaking Deltans need to use to get to their capital in Asaba. So it's a critical and very, very important road. However, as you can see behind me, that the road, obviously, one side of it is still under construction, not to talk of the other side. It was first awarded in November of 2008. That's about 14 years ago, when the current governor, AKUGHA, was secretary to the Delta State government. It's just a 162-kilometer road. 14 years after, the road is still far from being constructed. To give you an idea of how rich Delta State is, in 2021, Delta State got 31% of the entire 13% derivation for oil-producing states. That's of the 9 states that produce oil. Delta State got 142 plus billion naira. A state like Rivers, which all Nigerians believe is so rich, got 83 billion naira. 83. You can see the difference. And of course, a lot of people will tell you that if you walk into Rivers State, the flyovers are countless, road construction everywhere. All Nigerians can attest to that. But coming to Delta State, another oil-producing state in the Niger Delta, in fact, the #1 oil-producing state in the Niger Delta, it's been tales of woes for Deltans who cannot get good roads to get to their state capital in Asaba. By the way, Asaba is that way. The governor of the state, AKUGHA, prides himself as the road master. Honestly, you would wonder where that kind of title comes from, road master, where a 162-kilometer road is under construction for 14 years. And I can hazard a guess that it's going to be practically impossible for Governor AKUGHA to complete this road before he leaves office. He's taking another 150 billion loan now, and he says part of it is going to be committed to this road. The rains will soon set in, so construction again for most of part of the year is going to be impossible. So he leaves in May 29, 2023. So I can hazard a guess that by that time, this road will still not have been completed. And Deltans all over the state are saying that it will never be completed because it has become some sort of revenue generation for politicians in Delta State. And that is quite sad.
Inside the Niger Delta,